going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play When I'm Gone by Jasiah. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll drop kick your freaking spleen out of your body. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. I would like to start this video off by saying this was a request by username Antoine Leon. I hope I'm saying that right, so I just want to let you know that I'm giving you some big shouts. This song is starting out in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 5th fret. You're using 3 different chords throughout the entire song, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below called Master the Guitar in 7 Days, as well as I will have the guitar tab that I made for this in the description below as well, so if you need either of those, jump to the description once you get done with the video. They will be there for you. Chords you're using are going to be A minor, which is 002210, G major, which is 320003, and then F major, which you can play it however you want. This way, for this song, I'm using the bar chord. It's 133-211. Now you can strum through those chords just by themselves throughout the entire song. They just repeat, but I will show you the actual picking pattern that they're using there. Starting out with your A minor, it's going to be, you're going to pick the low A with your thumb, the D with your index, and then the low A with your thumb again. Then you're going to pick the B string with your ring finger, the D string again with your index, and then the G string with your middle finger. So A, D, A, B, D, G. A, D, A, B, D, G. And you pick that twice. So A, D, A, B, D, G. Then you're going to go to your G chord. You're using that same exact picking pattern, except instead of picking the A string with your thumb here, you're picking the low E string with your thumb here. Everything else is the exact same. So E, D, E, B, D, G for one time. E, D, E, B, D, G one time. Finally, you're going to go to your F, and then you're picking E, D, E, G. So instead of picking that B, you're going to pick G now. So E, D, E, G, A, D. One time. E, D, E, G, A, D. So all together slowly, it looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.